Hello YouTube, I'm doing a small video tutorial on AnnoyanceFix, just to showcase. Here I have the mod installed. It's been updated to, work on kind of latest StationAPI, latest GCAPI with multiplayer support. And here, oh, it's nighttime, let's change that. So it improves the mining speeds of buttons, pressure plates, furnaces, stairs, bricks, redstone. I need an iron pickaxe for that. Let's grab an iron pick really fast. Boom. Iron doors, rails, dispensers, and mob spawners. Epic. And then it also improves the mining speed of crafting benches. There's an experimental fix for these, but it's not currently implemented, or it doesn't work on multiplayer. Wooden slabs are really weird in beta. Anyhow, this, that, door, sign, pumpkins, wooden pressure plate, note blocks, epic. Yeah, we could showcase that maybe later on. There's a experimental toggle. I'll just show you it right now because we're probably not going to get around to it. But there is an experimental toggle for that, which does work in single player, but it does not work in multiplayer. So, and doesn't work with a bare hand. Like if I had no hand, it wouldn't break correctly. But it does work with breaking with an axe or any other item. Okay, now we're going to showcase extra fuel sources. You can now smelt using a wooden sword, wooden shovel, all these wood tools, pickaxe. There's only... Did I miss one? Looks like, I don't know if there's the hoe. Oh, anyhow, there's also the fishing rod. These are all smelting recipes that are in modern Minecraft. A bow, a door, a boat, bowls, signs, and each of these have the correct smelt time as well. I guess I'm going pretty fast, so it's kind of hard to tell, but they all do smelt. And in modern Minecraft, on Bedrock, you can smelt wool, but on vanilla Minecraft, or Java Minecraft, which this is based off of, you can't. So I didn't add that recipe. But we might as well grab a wooden hoe and throw it in there, and you can see that smelts. Awesome. Okay, let's test the boat fixes. I have my boats set to being invincible. Well, I have it first off set to drop the boat when the boat is destroyed. Boom, drops the boat. But I have set the collision variable of the boat to be invincible. You can toggle this with AnnoyanceFix. You can have it be the default behavior where it drops sticks and wood when it breaks, or you can have a behavior where it drops the boat itself when it breaks. But the default toggle is that it simply won't break anymore when you crash into a wall. So here I'll crash into a wall nice and hard. Oh, well, maybe I have it set to drop boat. I must have changed it. Let's look at what I have the config toggle set to. And indeed, I have it set to drop boat. But if I had that set to config toggle 3, it would be invincible. So I don't know. I guess that's a good example. I guess maybe more people would like this toggle than the other one. You can see with GCAPI that all these values are server synced, so the server gets to decide what these values should be for the client. If you're on single player, you can change these values. On a server, the server decides what it should be. Okay, let's see what we've gone through. We've gone through the axes efficiency, pickaxes efficiency. There's some extra recipes for repairing tools, repairing armor, and we already went through the fuel sources of different things, so we already went through that. Let's show repairing tools. So here I have two stone pickaxes. They're both broken. You can see I repair them. It doesn't know what the durability is going to be when it finishes, so it just shows a black bar, but that's okay. When I click it, you can see I repaired it. I didn't getting an upgrade for repairing the tool. That's epic. Okay, and now I need to take some damage, so that way we can test the armor repair, which is another one of the recipes that was added. So from that. I'll swap this out for this one. So I need to get rid of that. Put this on. Boom, take some damage. Now I'll show the repair for this. This works for all armor. Armor repair, boom, repaired. Epic. So now, what other configs have we not tested? You've seen the axes, you've seen the pickaxes, the recipes, the fuels, the drop boat, the speed collision. Okay, I need to show you some of these drop items. Bookshelves, cobwebs, fence. Yeah, I'm sure maybe you noticed that the fence placement has been changed. The bounding box has been fixed. You can see it's not a square bounding box, I can mine around it. And also the placement has been fixed. You can place it anywhere. You don't have to have a block below it to be able to place fences. And then what the bookcases drop has been fixed. Modern bookcases drop 3 books. So you can see that now when I break the bookshelf, I drop 3 books. Awesome. Now we're going to need some shears and cobwebs to test this next fix. Also eventually going to need a pig and a saddle. So let's grab a saddle because in old beta, you see that mines really fast. Epic. Whoa, wait a second. I think I was supposed to drop a cobweb. Alright, well there's a bug there. I'll get that ironed out. Anyways, let's find a pig. Pig over here. See the pig. And in normal Minecraft, when you kill the pig, it won't drop the saddle, but with AnnoyanceFix, boom, it drops the saddle. And I didn't get lucky and I didn't get any pork, but it will also drop pork if you get, it's the normal drops still happen, so epic. Let's look at the other fixes, see if there's anything else that I didn't cover. Cobwebs, I need to fix that, which I'll get that fixed pretty quick. Fence placement, fence shape, flint and steel, okay. Lava, pick block, stairs, water, okay. We can start with some of these. So the flint and steel fix, let's get a new flint and steel to kind of show this. The durability doesn't go down when you relight the same fire. You can see I'm relighting the same fire and the durability isn't going down. And the durability also doesn't go down anymore when you fail to ignite. So if I try and ignite right here, you can see it's not actually igniting anything. So the durability doesn't go down. The durability only goes down when you actually use the flint and steel. So you can see now it's actually going down. There's lava fixes. So there's a bug in this old beta where lava kind of doesn't go away. When you pick it up, it kind of lingers. Get a bunch of lava. You can see, this lava's not lingering. But, oh, that's right, I have the fix turned on. So I don't know if you've ever seen it, maybe on your vanilla worlds, but the lava likes to linger and not go away when the source block is removed, but because I fixed it, it doesn't do that, and you'll see that will all eventually evaporate. Fantastic. We love that. And let's get a water bucket. And go over here. There's a spring propagation fix. In old beta, you can't have the water fill in. Like if you put a water block here, in old beta normally wouldn't fill in. But with spring propagation fix, it actually fills in this block even though there's not a solid block below it. As long as there's a water block, it'll fill in. It'll fill in just right. And that helps you fill in pools of water and giant bays and all that. That's just really helpful. So, stairs fix. Yes, we kind of saw it already. You can see I have stairs in my inventory. The stairs fix is obviously that in old beta, these normally drop big blocks, like this would drop a block of wood. But the fix is that now the stairs actually drop themselves. They drop what they're supposed to drop. Stairs drop stairs. Epic. So there we have the fence, flint and steel, lava fixes. Pick block, I can show that in half a second. Pigs, stairs, water, and the experimental feature is turned off, but you can test that on your own. I believe pick block is the last thing. So you can't really select certain redstone components. In normal Minecraft, it won't work. But here, if I middle click with the mouse button, it selects properly, and we've even made it so in single player, I guess this doesn't work in multiplayer, but in single player, I'd be able to pick block right here, and I'd even be able to select the redstone from the inside of my inventory. So let me log on to a single player world really fast just to show that. You see I've been doing a lot of testing. There's a ton of stuff in my inventory. Okay, let's do that. Put this over here, and now pick block, boom. It selected that out of my inventory and brought it into my hotbar slot. And if for some reason all of your hotbar slots are filled, boom, it swaps it with whatever block you clicked with. So awesome. That's pretty helpful too. I guess if you had an empty slot and you did this pick block thing. Oh, no, it selects it. How interesting. Nice. Okay. And this also works for entities, which it used to not. So if I get a rail and I have a minecart and I get another minecart and then I do a pick block, you can see it selects the minecart out of my inventory. Awesome. So those are all the new changes in AnnoyanceFix. Hope you like them. This is for Fabric. It's not for Modloader anymore. Fabric is just easier to code with as a modder, and I'm lazy, so sorry, Modloader people, but it is what it is, and we all only have so much time in the day, so love you all. Take care. Bye.